Good day. Good day. I just want to revise with you this question, which is on moment. So here the question is: the following diagram shows a uniform meter rule in equilibrium. So this word equilibrium, it means that it is what? Stable. It is being balanced. Yes. So when different masses are hung on either side. So this is the diagram and this is the pivot. Then the question is calculate the value of x. So what we need is to calculate the mass of x. So remember, mass should not be given in what? Newton. Mass is measured in kilogram or grams. Or what? Grams. Oh, sorry. Or grams. But here, what we have been, the masses or the mass that we have been given are in grams. As we see, this is G, this is D. Then in the units there, they are in centimeter. Then when you talk of moment, we say moment is the product of mass and distance from the point of what? Action. So this is the point of action and this is the mass. So this mass is being converted, should be converted to kilograms. So what we are supposed to do is, since when you talk of moment, we say moment is equal to force times what? Distance. We need to understand this. Then force, what is the formula for force? Force is equal to mass times what? Acceleration due to gravity. So there we can put A or G. Acceleration due to gravity. Then this mass should be in kg, not in grams. No. So whenever you have been given mass in grams, convert this mass to what? Kg. And this distance here should be in meters, not in centimeters. Understand that? So what we are going to do, we are going to convert. So converting, let's say I'll just show you one, then on how you can convert. So let's convert this distance, the first one from the point of action, which is the pivot, to where there is 20 grams. So we convert the distance there. We'll say we'll do it from here. So we are saying that 1 meter is equivalent to 100 centimeter. Then what have you been given? We have been given, this is what? Centimeter. So we are saying that x meter is equivalent to, there is what? 10 centimeter. So whatever that you are going to do, you multiply this and this and that. So this and this, you are going to have what? 10. So this and this, you are going to have 100. X is equal to 1 times 10, you will get what? 10. So over 100 over 100. So there goes. So our x is equal to, how many times can 100 go into 10? It's so 0, 0. 10 into 1 is 0.1 meter. So here we are saying that there you put 0.1 meter as your distance. So there, even though to divide by 100, you are going to have 0.3 meter. Then there again, you are going to have 0.4 meter. Hope I'm clear there. I'm clear on the conversion of distances from centimeters to meters. So for distance, which means you are done. Okay. So now let's again convert the masses. So the mass here, it is in grams. The mass are given in what? Grams. So let's use this part here. Okay. So here we are saying that we are converting grams to kg so that we can answer the given question. So here we will say, we say 1 kilogram. 1 kilogram is equivalent to 1000 grams. Yes, so what have we been given is 20 grams. So X there is equivalent to 20 grams. So when we multiply this and this, what do you get? So there we'll get, once you multiply that, you get 1000 grams, or 1000 x, sorry, when you multiply is equal to 20. Like this and this is going to give you 20. So you multiply over by 1000, even this side by 1000. When you do the cancelling, you are going to have x, sorry, is equal to 0, 0 there, it will cancel. So you have 2 and then 100. So 100 into 2, it's 0 point. Then you add what? 0 there, so that it's 20. You can just use a calculator. So then 100 into 20, again it's 0. So they are going to have 2. So this is in kg, in kilogram. So even this one is going to be, so here we are saying that this mass now is going to change to 0.02 kg, and then the other one where there is 10, again it will change it to the other mass, it will also change it to 0.01 kg. Okay, now remember what I said there. You need to calculate the force, because the moment here we are told that it's moment is equal to force times distance. So let's calculate this what? Force. So we know force, we are going to multiply by what? 10. So this one we multiply by 10. So once you multiply by 10, you multiply by 10, the first one, which is 0, which is 0.02 times 10, what do you get? So there, once you multiply by 10, so there we'll say by 10, once you multiply this one, we'll say the first mass 0. Okay, let me just write the formula. F is equal to m then times gravitational acceleration. Then you are saying that you multiply this by 10 to get force. So it will be 0.02 times 10. So this one, when you use a calculator, you will find that your answer is going to be 0.2 Newton. Yes, so here we are saying that this is the answer, 0.2 Newton. So for this one, it's going to be 0.1. So there's 0.1 Newton. There it's going to be 0.2 Newton. When the answer that you found, you multiply by 10. So these are answers that you are going to have. Okay. So now let's calculate what you have been asked. So here we'll do, remember it's at equilibrium, which means the clockwise moment is equal to anti-clockwise what? Moment. So we'll say MC, which is clockwise, is equal to MA, which is what? Anti-clockwise moment. Then this is the formula. So F here, force, we can say this is 1. We can say this is F1 and this is F2. Then the distances are there. Then there is what? Distance 1 and distance 2, like that. So I will do F1 moment. Okay, let me just write in full. F1 times distance 1, then plus F2 times distance 2, then is equal to, there we'll just have 1, so we'll say it's F times what? Distance. Okay, so this is how we are going to light. So now let's substitute. So we would pick this one, which is f 0.2 times distance, which is 0.1, then plus here we pick 0.1, then times the distance there. It's going to be 0.1 plus 0.3, you have 0.4. So there you are going to have 0.4. We close is equal to, this side is just 0.4. So here we have 0.4 times f. Okay. So when you multiply this and this, what do you get? So get your calculator, you multiply 0.2 times 0.1. I'll get my answer here. It's 0.02 plus, okay, plus, so even this side, once you multiply, you get 0.04. Yes, that's the answer that you are going to get when you multiply 0.1 times 0.4. Yes, that's the answer. Then is equal to 0.4 f. Then when you add this, you get 0.06. When you add this, is equal to 0.4 f, like this, over 0.4. Even this side 0.4. There goes. So our f is going to be this one into that. So we are saying that 0.06 divided by 0.4. What's the answer? My answer is 0.15, and this answer is in Newton. So this is the force, 0.15. It is the force. But what you should know there, the question is not about us finding the force, it's about finding the mass. So now we are going to use this to calculate or to find the mass. Yes, so the formula that we wrote, it's force is equal to force. So therefore force is equal to mass times what? Gravitational acceleration. Yes, so here our force is 0.15, then is equal to, there you have 10, which is gravitational acceleration, then over m, like that, then over 10, even this side over 10. There goes. So your m, this one into that, how many times? So you are going to have, by 10, you are going to have 0.015 is equal to m. So this one is in kg again. So this is in kg. So this is a kilogram that you have found. So there, the answers are given in grams. So we need to convert this into what? Grams. So we've got 0.015 kg. So now to convert in grams, remember what we said? We said 1 kg is equivalent to 1000 grams. Then so here what you have been given a kg. Now you take it into what? Grams. What will be the answer? So we are saying that 1 kg is equivalent to, is equal to 1000 grams. Then what you have is kilogram, 0.015, which is equal to x. You don't know. So once you multiply this times this, what will be your answer? So times 1000. So your answer is 15. So therefore our mass, so M, which is mass in grams, is equal to 15 grams. So this is the required answer according to the way the question has been asked. So this is how you can calculate. So some of these things you can omit them, can be omitted, and you can take less time or just 2 minutes to answer this type of a question, provided you know on what to consider when answering this type of a question. Thank you.